Welcome student. Today the topic is properties class. Actually properties is one of the class properties implementer. The name of the class is properties implementer, which is under util package. Using properties implementer class we can create an object, and the syntax of this object is like this: properties props1. You can give your own name equal to system.getProperties. Here we can fetch properties of any another class. That means we know there are so many predefined class already present in Java. So using this properties class we can get the properties of another class. So here we fetch the properties of system class. So we have to write properties class name, props1 is the object, equal to system.getProperties. GetProperties is the method which fetch the details of the properties of a class. So system class, the properties of this system class stored into this getProperties method, and we can show the content values whatever stored in this props object. So the props1, this object shown the details with the basis of list method. Okay, so here the properties of system class stored within this object, and this object shown all the contents within list methods, where we display the activities of out object. So if we run it, all the details of the system.out store is displayed here. Okay, so using this properties class we can get the idea what is the activity of a class, what is the activity of a specific object of that class, and based on these activities we can use it. Okay, so there are actually unknown, various numbers of unknown classes and unknown objects are present in Java. Those we don't know what is their actual properties, so we hesitate to use these classes and objects. So if we understand what is the actual properties, what is the actual properties of this class, what is the actual property of the object, then it's easy to use it. Okay, so here I am showing you using two lines how to get the properties of an class and how to get the properties of an object. So my suggestion, before use any class, before use any object, of predefined class and predefined object, you must write these two lines and just display. Then you get the idea what is the actual property of that class and what is the actual property of that object. Then it is better to use it. Okay. Thank you. Please watch and share and subscribe my channel. Later I will give you more and more videos. Thank you.